Hi friends, how are you all today? I'm too good. So how are you all? So please share me comment that how are you all? So today the most important and interesting topic I brought before you that it is necessary for the pre-primary teacher trainers, and also today actually I posted a video for how to make flashcards. Today I will tell how to prepare the scrapbooks and as well as how to prepare the clay models. So first of all you need the 4 scrapbooks. If you see here, I already prepared and I completed my training, so I want to help you all in this video. So first of all you need these 4 scrapbooks. These scrapbooks will be get from your stationery shops. So the first one is art and craft, second one is rhymes, and third one is moral stories and Hindi rhymes, whereas the fourth one is picture album. So you need these 4 scrapbooks. Actually, if you see a art and craft, it will this art and craft book also you can make in a white drawing book will be there, complete white and plain drawing book. So in that book also we can make, but I made in this scrapbook. If you want to make as your wish, you can do it in this scrapbook or other in that the plain white drawing book will be there in a rectangle shape. So in this I made, so I will show you how you have to make this scrapbook. So first of all I will show about the art and craft. So here if you see, you have to do 5 art items and as well as 5 craft items. If you see the index here, I prepared 5 crafts and 5 arts. Anything you can make. So not only this, and as per your creativity you can make different types of craft items and different types of drawings you can make. If you see here, I prepared cup ice cream with glitter craft, and flower vase with earbuds, sheep with cotton balls, and whereas panda's crown I prepared a bookmark. If you see slowly, I will show you what all I prepared for the craft items. Here cup ice with glitter craft paper. If you see here, this is the glitter paper, 3 different colors I prepared and I cut it and paste here. Whereas flower was with earbuds and as well as that what we say pista's shell, you will get it for with that I prepared. These all are the earbuds. And the third one is sheep. This was made by cotton balls. Okay, this is the third craft, and whereas the fourth craft is panda's crown. I just cut out first I what we say draw with a pencil in a paper, and I cut it off and I placed it here. If you say, this is the panda's crown, whereas the fifth one is a bookmark. If you see here, it will be how we have to keep, I will show you. So if we take here one book, here if you see, like this it will be. So whenever if you want a certain page, directly you can open with that book. So if you keep and you close it, it will be like that only. Whenever if you want that open the page, directly you can open that page. This is known as bookmark. So this what the 5 crafts I prepared. So next we are moving through drawing items, that is known as art. Here I prepared a barking dog. Next, the beautiful parrots on the stem. Whatever drawing you like, you can make it. A little teddy. This is the third art, and the fourth art is our nature I prepared here. If you see this, I prepared this one is as our nature. And the fifth one is all the fruits in one basket, because this paper was fully dark, but I prepared, however, if you see, you can look it. So this is what about the art and craft book. Next, coming to rhymes. If you see rhymes, 20 English rhymes we have to stick. Okay, here if you see the index, I make 20 what we say rhymes. This rhymes book you will get it from the stationery books. You just bring one full rhymes book. In that rhymes book nearly 20 rhymes should be, whatever rhymes, but only in English you have to select. totally 20 rhymes you have to stick in this book. So this what 20 rhymes I sticked in this book. So what you do is, please select 20 rhymes and make sure cut it like this in the book only, or otherwise you write with a sketch pen or pen, whatever it is. Make sure to cut this pictures like this and paste it. It will be easy, or otherwise you can write it also. As per your patience you can do the work. So what I did is, I just cut off from the textbook and I made paste on this. If you say 20 rhymes I stick over here. So what I did in the starting, I made in one page only one I put. If you observe here, whereas I came here in the middle part, the papers will be less, no, that's why I did both. What did I did on only one page, I did 2 rhymes I stick it here. You will not get sufficient, no, the book will not be enough, but in only one scrapbook you have to stick 20 rhymes. In middle I kept 2 rhymes in one page, if you observe it. At last and again I came only one. See here. So like this you have to prepare scrapbook for 20 rhymes. And the coming for the another book, 5 moral stories and 5 Hindi rhymes you have to put it here. So whereas in the moral stories, what you will do is select 5 moral stories, nice moral stories with the pictures. So see, if you see here, 5 moral stories and 5 Hindi rhymes. Hindi rhymes mostly you will get it from the textbook, or otherwise select it from the Google and take color print. So I did the same thing. I took a color print. I selected from the Google and I took color print and just cut off and I pasted here. What you do in the moral stories is, actually I did the full moral story, I cut it and paste. So that it's not the important thing. What you do is write the name of the story over here and only stick the pictures of that story. No need to write the story or no need to stick the story here. So at last write the moral of the story, and this is the process what you have to do in this moral stories. Though these moral stories should be only in English, and that too only 5. If you see the first one, I put it here, the 2 pots, and the second one is the crooked tree. Here I wrote the what we say story name, picture. See here, one thing, the pictures should be more than 1. Not only 1. Here I did not get the more pictures, so I kept only 1 picture. Please make sure to keep more than 1 picture. Okay, so this is the moral I wrote here, and this is the 3rd moral story, the wolf in sheepskin. So 2. At last moral. Here the cows and the lion. So I did the moral here, picture sticker. Next the picture name, same, the wise judge, the picture and the moral. Next coming to Hindi rhymes. If you see here, just I took a download from the Google and I took a color print here, put the title of the rhyme, and you can write with your own handwriting, or otherwise you can paste it here like this from the paper. It will be easy to put up, stick the papers directly before as your wish. That is, I put up 5 rhymes here. So this what about the 3rd scrapbook. Coming to the 5th scrapbook. Here this scrapbook name is picture album. So this is the most important scrapbook here. So in this picture album, what we have to do is, we have to select 20 topics. Whatever you want to keep, you can keep. Here I kept, see, if you see, inventors and scientists, fruits, flowers, vegetables, religions of the world, safety rules, dry fruits, freedom fighters, small places and the world, sorry, famous places and the world. So different topics, whatever you want. These charts will be get it through the stationery shops, that each chart each chart will be get for 4 to 5 rupees, I think so. I bought it for 3 rupees for each chart. If you take like 20 charts at a time, you will get a discount of each chart. So make sure to keep 20 different topics. This book is known as picture album. So like this. So if you take one topic, in one topic we have to keep at least 8 pictures. If you see here, I kept 8 pictures. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Like for each topic you have to put 8 pictures compulsory. So if you see there, scientist, here fruits. See, if you observe, in each topic we have to keep 8, more than 8 also you can keep, but not less than 8. Flowers, vegetables, religions of the world, different religions as we have in the India. So here we see safety rules, dry fruits, different. So as I shown in the 20 rhymes scrapbook, no, the same thing I did here. First I kept only one topic in one paper, whereas in the middle I kept 2 topics in one page. So if you see here, different topics. So dances of India, sport articles, means of transport, kitchen articles, different types of houses, postal stamps of India, musical instruments, good habits. Next, here insects last I kept here, and shapes, professions. So this what about the 4 scrapbooks. The next coming to the point is clay models. Clay models are very important as we teach in the school also. If the child should learn through the clay models. Why? Because in our childhood mostly we used to play with the mud, no? Now the mud is not getting regularly. So now what the kids are doing in the school is they are playing with the clay. That's why in this training the main topic about the clay is to do 5 different fruits and 5 different vegetables. If you see here, I prepared one cauliflower, one carrot and radish, brinjal, whereas tomato. Make sure that tomato is not a vegetable, it is a fruit. By mistakenly I put this, prepared instead of tomato, prepare another vegetable here. In the main the main clay model in the vegetable and the fruit is compulsory we have to do this custard apple in the fruit, and compulsory we have to do cauliflower in the vegetable. These 2 are most important. The other 4 optionally what you want to do. So in the fruit itself I made custard apple, this one is the orange, and this one is the strawberry, banana and raw mango. The custard apple is the must and should you have to do. That is the rule of the clay models in the training center. Okay, I hope you all understood the projects what you have to do in the pre-primary teacher training center. If you have any doubts, so please make sure to keep comment in the comment box. Okay, if you have any extra any extra belongs to training or belongs to something, teacher training or something, if you want still any matter, you can ask me in the comment section. So this is what I want to tell about the clay models and the scrapbooks. Make sure be sure to do all these projects sincerely, and if you have any doubts with other projects, you can comment me in the comment box, so I will reply you. So this is what I want to tell in this topic. Thank you friends.